Kuble pi barwa na kalyang ka Doodarshan Kendra Shillong gipidang sungubhaya page ka thuk khubor mata ka janmit shwaban page ki khubor ki babnya ini pechwai ki mat bakong san Antip no e ka yeng ka barim jong ka yeng darbar thauan kum ka samvidhan sadan Kilijing kili ka seng liang persya ka VPP halor ka jing pindan kam palat put ki pulet ya ka bor ha ka public hearing ha ka shnong thang sky Pedang sngobhai Dr. Amperin Lingdo ya ka an Women Reservation Bill ka bakular ban penyok bha lai pulai na ka shispa na ka banta ki kimthei But jurtam ki kambian ha po East Khasi Hills District na dus nam arhajar arpo arpulai ong musembut menteri rangba uba Presiden Tensong Ki kubor ki babnya ya ka yeng ka bathmai jong ka yeng darbar jong ka ri ladep jet bat ithu kum ka yeng darbar thauan lene ka Parliament House jong ka ri India ka jing pentip na ka luk sabha secretariat bala penmi menta ka singi kala ong ba ka yeng ka bathmai jong ka yeng darbar ka dan hapo upur usam jong ka yeng darbar thauan sha phang sham mingi jong ka yeng darbar thauan ka bamenta bala kerkut ya ka da ka surok raisina shaphang shathe bada ka surok Red Cross na shaphang shathe Kadorbar Lok Sabha kelas dang iki kam ki jam jongka ha ka yeng thmai jong ka yeng dorbar thauan ha ka por shi baje shi pawa mensngi katba kadorbar raja sabha klai lumlang ha ka por arshi pawa mensngi Daka baju bab ya ka jingkeli jong MLA kalyang persya uba Bright Star Well Marbanyang halor ka jing pendan kam daka bor persya ya ki nong shong shnong ki bala ya ki persya ya ka public hearing ha ka bayade ba ka jing penyar shu ya ki karkhana Meghalaya Cements Limited Topsem ha ka shnong thang sky usembut menteri rangba ubade pet ya katanat ki kampo yeng uba Presiden Tensong ulaya dai ki pulet daka baong ba ki pulet kim don la daka moipat lait na ka ban pendan kam daka bor ban te la kam yu pat bhur ha ka ne ka public hearing
including also irregular supply of sanitary.
At the very outset, I would like to recognize the critical role of the police department in the society. They are the custodial of law and order, responsible for maintaining peace, ensuring safety and security, and upholding the principles of justice. What are the reasons for having a public hearing? Some of which are to open discussions about the issue at hand, to communicate and clarify the need to reopen public dialogue on issues that have fallen out of public mind and to find solution to a community problem or issue.
Hakapor baila pedang sngobha ya ka jing pentri kam jong menteri rangba do ka ri Narendra Modi ban pen kubor ki kinthei da ka ba ai bha lai phulai na ka shispa na ka benta ki kinthei hapo ka dorbar lok sabha bar haki yeng dorbar thauan jong jala ila pen pau bala da ka ne ka an kantri kam no mardor ne kan la ban sedang shimpor shwa
Politics is a different game altogether.
Please do not confuse our customary practices with the politics and the changing. I think women are, leaders naturally. There's an inborn quality for women in general to be active in so many spheres of issues in the community. I don't think much preparation has to go on. Now let's hope this bill takes shape quickly. Let's hope you declare. You will have to decide whether it will be a balloted procedure, whether it will go by odd numbers, by even numbers. Is it going to be number 1 and then number 4, number 7? So the modalities have to now be worked on. I appeal to my government. Give this bill a chance.
Usembut menteri rangba bade pejru ikitnat ki kampo yeng uba Presiden Tensong ulay thu apa ka yeng darba thauan ha ka singi baar ba ka East Khasi Hills District ka dei ka babun tam e ki kambian kat kum balalum jingtip na du usnem arhajar arphau hadu usnem arhajar arphulai ha ba kila dan palat ya ka san hajar shispa khandai punriu ki jingja haba jubab eka jingkali bala kali de unong thau an ka seng UDP uba mineral bonds em haka kenta kali jingkali haka ni ga dorbasan rai ka barang ya chaprang menta uba tin song loong baka sarkar kla shim kattu ka nitli ki sen jam bantia la kami ki kambi an haka ni ga jala barkum jo ru banile persha iki kamba man persha iki kentai
affected women including police facilitation, legal counseling, psychosocial counseling, medical aid and temporary shelter have been set up in 11 districts of the state. Women help desk to facilitate crime reported by women and children has also been set up in various police stations across the state. Crime scene unit comprising of experts from the State Forensic Science Laboratory and the Fingerprint Bureau has also been constituted to assist the investigating officer, especially in cases relating to crime against women and children.
Yakalia niam lerukam Ganesh Chaturthi larakhe ru hangni hanong ba shilong yakani kasni larakhe kum kalingkhu singi kha jong blei Ganesha ubalang ka dakashin jong ka jingnang jingtip ka jingpa ho pahai par ka bok kanu sip ka babha yakani ka jinglia niam larakhe ringkat ka jinglia kemen ka ba kraw habaro ka wekari ka Presiden kari ka Draupadi Murmu baru Menteri Rang Badu kari Narendra Modi kila ai khublei kerpang ye kari hakani kasni rakhe Ganesh Chaturthi Kakin hun ye lekai football jong kari India kan sedang ye Kalimpong Asian Games jongka da kabe khun persha ye kari China hanong ba Huangzhou minta kasngi kadi ka jing ye khun ka sedang ha kapor san beje janmit unong ye lekai ba pau kari u chetri un ye lam ye kari India persha ye kari China naka group A ha Huanglong Sports Center Stadium Kalimpong Asian Games ka bakhat khandai kan sedang naduk arpulai tarik mentau benai henrei kattu kan ni ki jing ye lekai kum ko football kan sedang minta kasngi Mentapat ngin peje ke jinglong jingman ka sin benang haslong. Kajing shet kalong arpusau point new degree Celsius bar kajing kreat kalong kan riu point khandai degree Celsius. Kajing sngem ka hau kalong khandai pusan na kashi spa min step bar khandai puwei na kashi spa janmit. Kajing hap slap kalong iwei point iwei millimeter. Kala bandan ru kajing hap slap bamalumala haki babon tli ki jaka. Shwaban poish ka bakut jong thup khobor ngi di phai biang sai shi siani ki mat bakong san. On tip no ye yeng ka barim jong ka yeng darbar thawan kum ka samvidhan sadan kali jing kali ka seng liang persha ka VPP halor ka jing penan kam palat put ki pulit ya ka bor ha ka public hearing ha ka snong thang sky Bediang ngop hai Dr. Amprin Lingdo ya ka an Women Reservation Bill kabakular ban penyok bha lai pulai na ka shispa na ka bentang ki kenthe Badjur tam ki kambian hapo East Khasi Hills District nadu snem arhajar arpo hadu snem arhajar apulai o musembut Menteri Rangba uba Pristun Tensong Tiperlok da kitu ki khubor ngila poish ga bakut jong thup khubor jong imenta ga janmit hadang bingin syambiang bat phila shai kasngi khublei pi baro
Can be dangerous. Do not enter flood waters. If you must, wear suitable footwear. Use a stick to check water's depth. Stay clear of sewerage lines, gutter